Hi, thanks for checking our channel here. This is just a little overview video of this particular unit. It's an old style Gallagher M1500, the old purple case unit. This one's kind of faded to a kind of a gray, but it was purple originally. I started making this unit called the Super 60 with a little 2 next to it. I had a little picture like a lamb on the front of it. Those are basically the same thing as this one. That was made back in the 80s, late 80s, and then like the early 90s they came out with the 1500 nameplate for it, sticker wise, and they kept that around to about 2002. And so this had about a 20-year run, 15 to 20 year run on this particular unit, so it was around for quite a while. It's a good old school unit. A lot of parts discontinued for this thing, but they're old school enough that we can rebuild the boards in them and stuff. We can get capacitors for them, that's not a big deal. And transformers are the biggest hiccup, but we've got transformers that we take from other brands or models, and we just modify the case a little bit and retrofit those in there, and they work great. So we don't really have much trouble with fixing these things. I mean, the brand new M1500 as a 2022 are over $700, probably $750, maybe more than that. I don't know these days, but we can definitely fix you up. So if you got an old 1500 Gallagher or the old Super 60 Gallagher, we'd be happy to take a look at it for you. We fix them all the time, so I don't think I've ever had one coming that we couldn't fix. It was just blown to bits from lightning. But we got a lot of rebuilt parts we can retrofit in there and rebuild the old parts. And so things are getting so expensive these days. You might want to try to fix your old unit versus just throwing away and buying a new one. Save some money and fix your old stuff versus just trashing it. Save some money and do it that way. So there are links below in the description that will take you to our website. So you got the light flashing. We did put it's got a blue neon bulb versus green, which is just a color. It doesn't really make a difference on the operation of the unit. We can see the red light flashing nice and bright. I'm going to a different tester here. Hold on. I've got a Gallagher fault finder smart fix tester. We're going to call it the little fault finder types. Now on these fault finder fence testers, the Gallaghers, this style anyways, originally came with the ground probe inside a little Ziploc bag thing inside the packaging. You can use it without it when you're out in the field because the tester has a metal plate inside here. You use your body through induction as the ground probe basically, and you put your thumb on there if you wanted to, in the bottom left corner, just to get a little bit better ground contact. But if you want to test the charger on its own, you got to use the ground probe. So let's put a tester on here. This will automatically come on. So we're getting 7.6 kV out of it, so almost 8,000 volts coming out of it. So nice strong shot coming, or nice strong volts coming from it. So let's put a screwdriver across, or just take some needle nose pliers. I'm going to touch the ground side, stick in the hole there by the hot side. Nice sharp pop from it. Sticker's about wore off the thing, but this is the M1500. That's basically it. We work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes, so if you got an old Gallagher unit needs to be worked on, like I said, Gallagher doesn't support the old ones very much anymore. They got a few parts on hand for some stuff, but they've really gotten away from fixing the old stuff. They would rather just let you buy a new one, which is fine if you want to, but fix your old one for a good spare backup unit. Don't just throw it away because it's old. Some of the old stuff is really, really well made. So again, our information's down below in the description area, but website is fencerfixer.com. Don't forget the R on fencer. There's our address right there. We also work cattle scales, low bars for weigh scales and stuff for mostly Gallagher and True Test. Alright, well, until next time, see you guys later on. Have a good rest of your day.